Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Ark 4 version and firmware compatibility so the theme will load correctly. Once done, gather the custom theme folder and any PTF files on your PC. Make sure your USB cable works. Connect the PSP in USB mode and open the PSP toolkit. This gives you direct file access. You should check available storage and back up existing theme folders. This prevents data loss. After backing up, you're ready to copy theme files into the correct system directory. You now copy the custom theme into the Ark 4 theme directory. Locate /PSP/theme or the emulator's skin folder because placement matters. Once you place the folder, preserve file structure and exact file names so Ark recognizes the resources. If Ark needs a manifest or index, open and update it to list the new theme. Then adjust file permissions when necessary so the system can read them. This avoids invisible or broken menus. After that, safely eject the device and reboot Ark to apply changes. You finish by activating the theme in Ark settings under Themes, select your new entry and apply it, then verify icons, backgrounds, and sounds load. If something looks off, rebuild Ark's cache or theme index because stale caches prevent updates from showing. Make sure manifests reference exact file names and paths. Mismatches cause missing assets. One quick troubleshooting tip: rename files to ASCII-only characters and recopy them, which resolves many loading errors caused by encoded characters or spaces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.